bit nervous about all this glue here wanting to crack off on me, but we're gonna see what happens. I heard a little crack in there. I don't know about that. But surprisingly, maybe that was just the break-in period. Seems like it works. So, what we're gonna do now, hell, I'll just reassemble it and see what she does. And part 2 of this video might be me fixing it the right way. But for right now, my floor's getting dirty, and I think I'm gonna leave it right here. All right, got that set. Now, for the moment of truth. What happens when she puts the box in? Okay, so. Oh, look at that. Finally locks back in. Power on up. Hopefully it doesn't start mowing right here on top of my studio, but I'm here to grab it if it does. Let's see what happens anyways, just for the fun of it. Come on, Neato. Do your job. Let's drive. Ding, 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 ding. Hey, looks like success. Well, it's yelling at me for not having a battery charged. No warning signs from the safety switch, so I'm assuming we're good to go. We'll keep running it like this until we break it again, and then episode 2, I'll try to fix it the right way. See you later.